Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
Are your sidewalks being taken over by dirt and grass like ours were? Well, Corona has this edging tool. This is the LG 3684. And let me tell you, it makes such a difference and is very simple to use. Look at the difference between the side that was done and the side that was not done. And man, yards with edged out sidewalks and driveways just look so nice. And it was so satisfying as my husband went along edging it. I would go back and pull up all the stuff that was over our sidewalks. It was coming up in these huge clumps and was so satisfying. There's nice handles that are gel. There's nice little grips here for your shoes, and there's little ridges in the bottom part so that the dirt doesn't stick to it if it's muddy out. My husband's 6'3", and he said he didn't feel like this was too short. He didn't think about the height, so it's easy to use even if you are taller. Overall, I am completely thrilled with the work this little thing did. It's such a simple tool, but makes such a difference. So go ahead and get one and start edging out your sidewalks.
And that's my point of view.